folks, Mr. Garry here, back with you now for a very, very interesting Friday video. I'm standing in a bedroom here at the old church, getting ready to install hardwood floor, but not just any old hardwood floor. I'm going to show it to you in the next clip. The hardwood flooring that we're going to be installing here at the old church and in the bedroom is hardwood flooring that I picked up on Marketplace some time ago. And it's two kinds of hardwood flooring. It's a narrower 2 3/4 width hardwood, and also the 3.5 width hardwood. It's 3/4 inches thick, but the most important thing about this hardwood is that it is a made in Canada product, folks, and we're very, very pleased by that. Pretty much all of the materials that we use here at the old church to do our renovations are made locally or purchased in Canada. And as I said, we're very, very proud of that. So now, I want to show you something else. Yesterday, in order to get this room all prepped and ready for the hardwood floor, my son Devin and I, we installed this cardboard underlayment. On top of the plywood that was here in this part of the building, and we laid it all down. We used this product right here. This is a part of the roll that's left. Also, I would like to let you know is a made in Canada product right here. It's made by BP, a Canadian products company that makes roofing shingles and all kinds of other stuff. And we used tuck tape, also a Canadian product. So we're big on Canadian products here at the old church, folks. And just take a look. Just take a look at the message we are sending out to all of our YouTube friends and subscribers today. Vive la Canada, elbows up. We're going to be covering it up soon, but it's going to remain here for a long, long time. We're getting ready, as I said, to install hardwood flooring. And if you are into that kind of stuff, how to install hardwood flooring, then this video is for you. Thanks, and stay with us, folks. Stay with Mr. Garry here at GBL, the old church, 5-acre homestead. Elbows up, folks, elbows up. Okay, so we're squaring up the room here now, folks, with our hardwood flooring, and we're going on a 45-degree angle where we're installing the hardwood floor on what's called on the bias. So I'm drawing a line now through the center of the room, or from the center of the doorway, right across the room, so we can get ready to install the very first bit of hardwood flooring. I'm extending my line from, as I said, the doorway right over to the wall there by that electric heater. I want to make sure that it's all straight, so I'm using this piece of hardwood flooring now as my guide for my straightage. And I'm using a Sharpie marker. It's not like the one Trump used, but very similar. Alright, so there we go. We have our line. Now, we're going to try to start in probably in that corner and work our way over this way, but we're going to lay down a few pieces of hardwood flooring first, just to get our bearings and to see how it's going to look. So bear with me, and in the next clip, I'll show you how some of these pieces of hardwood flooring fit together, and just how we're going to be installing them using a compressor with a hose and a flooring nailer. Okay, so we're doing some dry fitting now of these hardwood pieces, and we're doing a bias, as I said, and we're staggering them. So we've got a narrow one and a wide one, and we're trying to work our way to the corner, dry fitting as we go, and just to have a look at how it all looks and all that kind of stuff. Devin is putting down one now, a wider one, and it has to go in underneath the board there, the framing on the wall. So that's what he's doing here now. Like I said, we're just dry fitting it. No, it's going to look good, I think, of those. And we tried it. We're doing this so we can figure out, once we get into corner, what size of a piece do we have, how much do we have to rip off of it, that kind of stuff, and how exactly we're going to attach them into corner. We're thinking we may have to use brad nails, but we'll see. Again, we're using the wider hardwood flooring. It's all finished, and the narrow hardwood flooring. We're using the air gun and our Bosch nailer there, floor nailer. And like I said, we're working our way down this wall, and very, very soon we'll be nailing them. We'll show you all of that. Okay, we've started in the corner with our first couple of pieces of hardwood flooring, and we have to use the brad nailer because we cannot get the gun for the hardwood flooring or the hammer in the corner. So we're just going to have to do what we're doing here now with the first 3 or 4 until we can start using the hammer. So we're just using the brad nailer first. We got 2 in there, and we'll keep going. The Bosch nailer now, floor nailer, for the very first time. Up until now, we've had to use the DeWalt brad nailer, but we're good to go. We're going to keep going here now with the flooring, and hopefully see if we can get this floor done today. If not today, we'll finish it tomorrow for sure. Okay, so just wanted to give you a little update, folks. We are doing quite well here. We've got this corner done now quite a lot, and we're out near that line that I drew earlier to give us some indication as to how this flooring was going to go down on the bias on the 45, and we're near to the center of the door opening, as you can see right there. So just a couple of tears away, and that's what it looks like. It's looking pretty good. Vive la Canada! Elbows up, folks. We're going to get back at it now in a few minutes after we have a little break. And when we come back, I'll show you another update. Here at the old church, folks, laying down a Canada-made hardwood flooring. go. We're on the home stretch, folks. We're on the home stretch. We're in the half a bathroom that's going to be here in this bedroom now. There's only going to be a toilet and a vanity in that little bathroom. And of course, there's the closet. We are almost done laying hardwood flooring down in the master bedroom. Just a few boards left to go. Okay, the very last piece, folks. In order to install this piece, we've got to add a little bit of PL Premium, a little bit of glue. There's no way to use the nail gun. And this has to be pressed into place now. Right here in the corner. Okay. Now, hopefully it'll go in. It is a bit on the tight side, which is the way we want it. And now I just need a little piece of scrap to help me knock it down the groove. All right, and then a couple of brads in by the wall. And we're done. All done. And we are all done, folks. Myself and son Devon. We laid this hardwood flooring down. This it wasn't gently used, but it was bought on Marketplace. And we've laid this down here in the master bedroom, here at the old church, 5 Acre Homestead, for the past couple of days. And I do think we did a terrific job. It looks quite smart. There's the flooring in the closet, and there's the flooring in the half bath that's going to be here. Just a toilet and a vanity. And it does look quite smart, quite clever. Very impressed with all of this very much. The walls are done with locally milled lumber harvested in the forests right here around Gander Bay, Newfoundland and Labrador. And the hardwood is Canada made. There you go, folks. Thanks for joining us in this video. We appreciate that so very much. Keep coming back to the old church, 5 Acre Homestead. We've got lots of more how-to and renovation videos for you to watch and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Again, GBL, the old church, 5 Acre Homestead.